them fuckers, he said.
Oh.
Well, since we didn't win none today, there's nothing worth posting. So. Oh, we got this, man. Hey, Zip. I was telling Johnny as well what we can do in our spare time. Like, say, if just like one or two of us are on, we can go down Crusher and just practice our shots. K bar, whatever, K bar and NV4, and we could just go battle it out over there.
Yeah.
But we can't pass it. We have to be long range the whole time.
I have an issue with range. I have an issue with fucking when someone's in my face. Because I play on 4 sensitivity. It's like too fucking slow for.
I play on 4. I don't ever have a problem if they're in my face.
I do. If they're in my face, like they jump under me and I jump high and I fucking lose them and I can't find them and when I'm aiming in, it feels like I'm aiming in too slow.
Are
when
you
I aim in and I'm turning.
Are you steadily aiming in? I just stay out, bro, and I just that's the problem. Just zoom out and just try to find them.
Because it aims you a little faster, but
yeah, that way you can look around. Just don't stay aimed in. That's stupid.
what?
Just go for the hip fire kill. That's what I do.
What's your issue? What?
Alright, Johnny, you almost done what you do. Clash Royale. You got 2 minutes. Or a minute and a half.
What? 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 I'm gonna have to break after this one. My daughter, she's not tired, and she's at the point where like she won't just chill and relax. Someone's gotta fucking hold her or something. Talk to her. If I'm not looking at her, she cries. As soon as I look over at her, she smiles and laughs.
Where's your old lady at?
Never home.
She left at 10 o'clock this morning. She went to work, and now she's at my grandfather's house.
Alright, rig draft.
Oh, fuck.
What?
Nah. Okay, end it.
Did you reset? What's the map?
You have it on the old one.
Oh.
Did you back out?
No.
Johnny backed out. Oh, but my timer's just now.
John didn't back out.
No, I'm not gonna back out. Oh, they're backing out.
Yeah, they are. You ended your card? Might as well end mine too. Then. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. What? You're not hungry. You don't want to be held because you cry. You don't want to sit in your chair. What do you want?
Come on, guys.
What do you want? What do you want?
What the fuck is he inviting me?
They just sent me a message saying we forfeit.
No, that's not how that works. Tell him to shut the fuck up.
What do you want from me? What do you want from me? And this control won't stop vibrating. my god, man. You invited the wrong account. Ugh.
I invited Zippo. Inviting Zippo. The only person I'm inviting.
I know why Lord Potts would join though.
I told him, submit a ticket if you think you got a case. Like, what are you doing? What the fuck is happening? Johnny?
Yeah. I just got disconnected.
Tell them they wait till the last fucking second to join, so they can fuck off, man.
You want to host?
No, you host. Just.
Join it. Looks like a fucking retarded kids.
This fucking faggot sent me a party invite. Hold on 1 minute.
Johnny, just record your last 5 minutes of you inviting him and send it to me. Or don't send it to me, just put it up and put it to Twitter. You've been inviting them, right? Because I've got them in the lobby with us. So they're gonna get hit with a no-show for real, for real.
We don't show Google date and time.
Well, we don't have to because they were in the party with us. Like I don't have to. I'm pretty sure I don't have to show Google date and time because they were in. They refused to join back.
You assholes didn't play these kids yesterday and
Oh,
lost?
we lost by one map. Map 3, round 11.
They're talking mad shit, saying I'm lucky because I lost fucking against them. They said that we fought the first map for starting up cursor, and they called them fucking pussies.
Why do you...
The map or forfeit.
Can you stop with the cussing, Adam, if you really are?
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna stop fucking cussing. I'm gonna do this fucking team is what I'm gonna fucking do, man.
Why? Because...
Complain about everything, bro. You're fucking pissing me off.
Bro, we just don't want your fucking accounts to be banned. That's it.
How's it gonna get banned? It's in a party. What fucking proof? I talked to them in a party chat, man. Oh, God.
Yeah, we're definitely...
I just put the call on hold and fucking went into the party with them. And told them that they'd forfeit for not joining. We started the wrong map. Then they kept calling me names, and I called them pussies, and I said join or forfeit.
Johnny, did you think he wrote a message, or did he tell you? Like, seriously. Because we're in Skype. It doesn't show us, man. Chill the fuck out, bro. We don't fucking know. I just don't want your accounts to fucking be banned. Man, then talk shit then. Then fucking talk shit. If you keep getting banned, then fuck it up.
Fucking faggots like this fucking want to keep disputing over dumb shit. Fucking done with it, man. I'm done with game back.
So what? So why the fuck are you yelling at me for? I'm not the one fucking disputing you. I just don't want your.
You said something about me fucking cursing, bro.
Yes, because we can.
I'm not gonna type cursing to them, bro. I was in there already talking to them.
Because you really want to know why? You show lack of intelligence when you cuss at people.
Who cares? I really don't give a flying fuck. I curse all the time. People can get over it. It's a fucking word. 16 stones will break your bones. The words will never hurt you. Remember it.
Well, it ain't gonna hurt me, but it's gonna hurt you.
It ain't gonna hurt me. I have thousands of accounts. Ban me all, man. I'll keep making them. Act like it really fucking matters.
Well, it does matter because it's quite annoying. It's quite annoying. All right. Look at where your teammate. Hey, I'm gonna give you my side of this fucking. Why is it annoying? Okay, when we fucking literally have to fucking. Okay, you're talking on one, and then we gotta fucking make sure we're inviting the correct one instead of just hitting the fucking party chat that you join. We gotta go. I'm just telling you, it's annoying. That is annoying.
Well, you're being lazy.
All right, what the fuck ever, man. I ain't the one fucking lazy. It's not fucking exactly. I'm telling you, you're showing fucking lack of intelligence and immaturity by cussing at these guys for no reason.
I don't give a fuck.
You're right.
Okay, so they didn't cuss at me.
Let them go. Words won't hurt you. Words won't hurt you, so why cuss back?
Because I'm cursed. I am a cursor. I like to say bad words.
I'm a cursor. I'm in the fucking Navy. I'm in the fucking Navy. Believe me, we curse. But we know when and when not to. And this is like one of those times you shouldn't be. Man, whatever. Just trying to help you out. But you know what? Never again. Never the fuck again. I won't.
Good. Shit's fucking annoying.
Fucking find two more people.
Fucking game.
This fucking.
Right, and now you have to
wins off this shit.
and sit there for another 45 minutes for nothing. And get a free fucking win. What's it even earned?
Fuck it. A W's a W. I got 15 minutes of proof.
Fucking kids are annoying, man. I'm fucking sick of it. Talk shit to me saying, oh, you guys got smacked yesterday. You got smacked. You fucking suck. You're a pussy. That's why you don't want to play. Okay, because I'm a pussy. I
Annoying
didn't
little
play.
kids get in your head.
Right.
Exactly, man.
I want to kill them, but
They're probably your fucking age.
No, they're definitely kids. They're definitely kids. They're immature. They're immature. They're kids.
I don't care. Little kids deserve to get fucking shit talked.
Jesus Christ, man.
Fucking sick of this shit, man. Fucking sick of it. Every fucking day we have one fucking person that's a fucking asshole.
Yeah, well. Hold on, I got another 30 seconds to record, like, because they want a fucking 15-minute video. Johnny, did you record the last 5 minutes I asked you to?
Yeah.
Alright, send that shit to Twitter. You know how to share it to Twitter on your Xbox? Bro, these kids are seriously just trying to get a free win. So I don't know why you let them get so upset. Like, we know the rules. You know, nothing happened. We have 30 seconds. No kill went down, no nothing. So, just let them do their thing.